Okay, y'all, see I'm using scraps of hair, making something happen. I didn't buy no new hair, so I'm piecing it together. So we're gonna just see what we come up with. And I just want to show y'all scraps of hair. So usually when it come out of the box, and it's all. You see how this is all going all kind of ways. When it comes out of the box, when it's new hair instead of scraps of hair, it's better. But I didn't buy hair this time, and I wanted to fix my hair, and I had so much scraps of hair. I'm like, let's see what we can get out of this. So that's what we're doing, and y'all know I'm on the stepping. Stepping. Trying to get this workout in and get this hair done. Multitask is my favorite. I'm so glad I learned, about that I could do this, because I'm multitask, doing getting ready to go or doing my hair mostly every day. And if I do a different exercise, that'll be my second exercise, because this is just so convenient. And we like simple, doable things that we can stay consistent with, right? And y'all know I don't like being on the camera looking like this. I don't like this. But this is just the real. And if I decide to wear my real hair again, I may do a video on that. And I don't really like to wear my real hair, so that's gonna be a whole situation for me, even to be willing to show that process. Wearing this real hair is so much more convenient, because when I wear my real hair, I'm trying to see how I can say it without complaining. When I wear my real hair, it just doesn't give me the look that I want. But I'm grateful and blessed that I have hair, that I can wear my real hair. And I'm just gonna leave it at that, because I never want to complain. I don't want to complain about anything. It's too easy to complain. When you complain, you get more of that. So we're just gonna be grateful and have gratitude over here. I'm blessed. Okay, I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more, because this is tedious. I'll be back. Okay, we're looking like bozo, right? Okay, so now I'm going to cut this all down, and normally I put it all on and cut it down, but I'm doing something different today. We're working with scraps, and we're doing the best we can do. Well, and I'm gonna use these razors to skim it down. So I have to look here in the mirror, and I'm just gonna do a little bit with y'all, and then we'll come back and it'll be all done. And I really need some new razors. Everything I'm doing today is scraps. Just let you know you can work with scraps. Get your work with scraps, because I'm working with scraps on everything. No new razor. Well, this must be kind of new, because it's cutting real good. And I got a towel laid out here for this hair to fall over, but some of it's gonna get on the floor, so I got my vacuum handy so I can hear them get that up. And it's gonna be all over me. I have my work cape right here. I can put it on, but we just going for it. It's just gonna be a good shower when we get through. And I got my fan on, because I know I'm hot, right? It's not that hot. I got the air on real low, because when you fix your hair, it'll be hot. So I'm hot enough with the fan hips. Okay, y'all can see this is a whole situation. Trying to do it and show y'all. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all how to do the back. And if this back view ain't nothing, y'all know I ain't gonna put this up there. Okay, y'all see I had to put some hair on, extra hair. Well, when I said extra hair, I had to put some longer hair over here, because the hair that I was using, when you're using scraps, Sometimes it don't add up. The whole situation. My camera making me look pink. Okay, 1 second. I'm like, what? What's Sweet Juicy gonna do with this? This hair came wavy. Well, this hair is wavy. It ain't came nothing because it's not mine. Well, I didn't buy it. It's just scraps and it's the hair that I found at the salon. So you see how it's, and it's like out black. Probably 1B, or this might be number 2. I'm not sure, but this is 613 on the bottom. And this hair I'm using is still jet black. Most of the time when I wear this style, I usually put 1B on the bottom, but I have worn black hair at the bottom just as many times when I wear this blonde. I just use what I have, cause this this style and this hair, this is not something that I keep for a long time. So it's just this is more expensive to wear this hair. To wear this blonde hair, it's more expensive, but it takes less time to do, and it's a simpler style. And blonde is usually when I wear blonde, to me it makes my skin complexion look lighter. Not that I'm after being lighter, don't y'all, don't start. But when I wear this hair, wearing blonde hair is just fast hair. It's a different kind of thing that be going on when I wear blonde hair. But y'all know my family, my sis and my mom, they for real about blonde. So I'm just kind of straightening it out a little bit. I know they look a mess, right? And I don't want to cut it because I don't know how much I want to cut, and I don't want to. It would be simpler to cut it. But so you can just put this fan on. Yeah, everybody have their own way, you know, of doing things. So in the comments, same thing with cooking, you know, even just doing hair, period. They teach. I'm continuing putting this hair on. I can feel that some of this track in this hair is off back here, but I still know how to make it do what it do. I got hair color because I put some black rinse on my real hair. Even though I'm not showing my real hair, when I take this off, I still want it to be black, or as black as it can be under the circumstances. You know what I mean? And so I'm gonna put another piece on the back, and then when I come back, I'm gonna have all of this hair on. Maybe I'll go ahead and cut it because it's just the whole situation trying to do it on film and do it by yourself. So we'll just see. So I'm just trying to lay it on top of the last track. keep cutting out. Okay, I got it all on, and I got a little piece stuck in there to close it out. To close it out, and now I'm gonna cut it. And this is, I'm not gonna do this on camera because it's already a whole situation, y'all. I'll just come back and it'll be cut. Maybe I already cut and ready to go. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all how I cut it. It's just a regular trimmer. And you see how it's not even cut real good. I'm just doing around, and then I go. Here we go, y'all. All done. It's just from this side, just do how you want to do. Everything ain't hitting like I wanted to hit right now, but it is doing what it's doing. This part keep coming out. That's what we go. That's what we got. All right. Thanks for watching.